This tutorial review will show you how to install custom fonts on iPhone for free. First of all, we need to install a third-party application on our iPhone. To do that, go to your App Store and search here Buzzer Fonts, and this is the app we have to install on our iPhone. Once it's installed, go to your phone settings and tap on General, tap on Keyboard, tap on Keyboards, add new keyboard, and inside of third-party keyboard section you will find the keyboard you just downloaded. So select the one. Now tap on the Buzzer Fonts keyboard, make sure to allow access, and then I'm going to opening my notes to show you the final result. Press and hold on this icon at the bottom left corner, and from here select Buzzer Fonts, tap on this icon, and now from here you can select any custom fonts, and this is how we can use custom fonts on iPhone for free. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.